So our first product, as many of you know, is Inbound GPT. So it's trained to know your business. The AI knows your ideal customers, provides real-time support, and then identifies opportunities within the conversation. So our prompt asks the right questions and then delivers a qualified lead to your team in real time. Again, it's trained on your content. We use AI to build conversation starters. We're using your knowledge base for accurate answers. Dynamically generate team handoff actions, and a new feature in the past couple of weeks is external actions. So we've gone ahead and released our pricing plans, starting with our free version, which is 1 GPT, 1 member, a basic knowledge base, and it does include the easy GPT branding. Our solo plan is the same, except we allowed for the extended knowledge base. And those are both considered personal workspaces. So when you upgrade to team, it's an organization workspace that has 3 GPTs, 3 members, extended knowledge base, and custom branding. And our business plan is 10 GPT. It just increases the members, GPTs, and custom domains.
So I like that, Jim.
Go ahead.
That looks great, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Okay. So our plan with our white label partners is to have unlimited organizations. You can invite and manage unlimited members, create unlimited GPTs for your clients, and then set up custom domains for each of those accounts. So where we're at currently is it'll be volume-based pricing. So I just kind of want to meet with everyone individually to see. So it'd be discounted based on volume. Say for the first 50 GPTs, it'd be one discount, up to 100 would be another. But I just want to get an idea of what type of volume your organization would be looking at. So let me go ahead and so I've set up a demo personal account and an organizational account. So in a personal account, you can create 1 GPT. And obviously upgrade at any time. With the organizational account, you can now manage members. So you can add an admin, manager, or team member. So managers can create GPTs, access the dashboard, and then invite your clients or team members to access the GPTs. And then the team member only has access to specific GPTs. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So why don't I go back, and I'm sure most of you have gone through this, but I was just going to generate a inbound GPT. That one's, I was looking for a single practitioner. So we simply just grab the base URL. And I got an error. I definitely will have to check that one. Ah, let's try this one. Shoot. This, let me test it with.
Is this only for practitioners or is it like anything? You can go ahead and use, I don't have anything on my website, but I'm not sure what you're trying to grab. You can go ahead and use mine for a demo or something.
No, I think we've got a bug with the permissions,
Ah,
but I can't look at this one that we did this morning. Um, so we generated the knowledge base based on Shaw Smith, Sean Smith law. And then here's where we set up the appearance, and then we can preview the agent. And these are the conversation starter questions that are generated dynamically. And with each response, we include a call to action, which then asks the lead qualifying questions. And then once the contact information is gathered, we generate the notifications to the client. And we can also send that data to a Zapier webhook. So again, here's the contacts. We can set up notifications based on the registered members, or based on the plan, invite members. So, and again, here's the notification settings. If we had a custom SMTP server set up, we could enable it here. So, or in the custom domain settings. So we could link that custom domain to a specific GPT. So that's a overview of the framework to set up white label partners and their members.
Hey, Jim, quick question, if you don't mind. The message threads that get sent, they've got this random 3-word, I guess it's some sort of nomenclature, but I've had a question or two about it. Do you know what
Sure.
I'm talking about? The random 3 words, like free wild rose.
Right. It's our when a conversation starts.
Mhm.
So that's a random, rather than IP address, a random name for an unknown user,
Ah,
if that makes sense.
okay.
So maybe we should just have it say unknown user. If
Yeah.
that
Maybe to avoid questions. I don't know if anyone else has had that issue, but yeah.
yeah, if I start a new, it's just a placeholder until the contact information is linked to that conversation.
But I think they show up in the notifications. Yeah,
Yeah,
well, they're
yeah,
there. That's fine, but they also show up in the notifications to the customer of the chat.
yeah, yeah. No, we can make that either remove it or say unknown user or new or website visitor.
Yeah, new even would be better. Yeah.
Okay. Have you had any other issues like with your tests?
No,
Okay.
no, sir.
The Mike's company has, oh, the old one is up still, Mike. But so yeah, we're just love to get your feedback on usability and any bugs that you find.
I don't see a
Really?
bug. Go ahead.
I was just going to say, Jim, really, it's too early for me to have any comments about that.
Okay.
We're just playing. We're just, dipping our toe at the moment.
Okay.
I
I
do
think we
have
talked the first time last week, didn't we?
Yeah.
I do have a nice to have suggestion, Jim, if you don't mind. It's not important, but it would be a nice to have because I find myself when I go to appearance and I'm trying to get it to match their website, it would be nice to have a little color picker there. The little color picker widget, because normally I click on their website, I get the color code, I come back over there and put it in there. If there was, if the picker would, you know what I'm talking about, right? There would be yeah, just so you can match it, and it's just appearance, but
it saves a little time. Yeah.
it looks good. Yeah, just a thought.
Good. Good. Any other questions? So yeah, I think that's what I had for today. And I'll let you go if anybody doesn't have anything else.
Thanks, Jim.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Bye now.
Very
Bye-bye.
good, Jim. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure where I found this or got roped in, but it seems very cool. I'll go and play around with it and let you know. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.